Oftentimes the owners will tell you their favorite award is the youth judging or the Haggerty Kids Judging Program Awards.
If I'm not here, then I think I jump. Yep. I'll have someone here. But let me. Here we go. If you need Paul, okay. I can get one of those guys to help. Okay, Max. Thank you.
Engine that he ever built.
16th engine.
Yep. And look at the headliner in this. It's a Edelweiss flower with the crystal dome. You're not going to see it anywhere else.
Oh, wow.
Like Kenny's good to call. Hey, what ship box do you have there that sort of runs?
Exactly.
This class is. Put the tag in there. We gotta go get the tag for that.
I'm not with that in the house.
I have no problem keeping myself occupied.
I'm good with that.
That's why they're good. Well, they're looking for it's literally someone that can do actual math.
Oh, that's
Right?
And so
Without a calculator.
things that are hard.
You're the person to do something.
Things that are hard. And you see it now. You see it in art. You can have a print of a Van Gogh.
Right.
And that's the same, but at auction, people still say, I appreciate that, and I'll pay for it.
Pardon me?
And you stop betting, they'll start contacting you and say, hey, what are you doing, buddy?
They do it. As soon as the NFL season, like a week later, I'll start getting emails from,
Right.
hey,
Where
here's
are
some,
you?
hey, here's some free tickets.
Yeah.
You know, do this, and I don't do it. Like, I put $40 in.
And then they left. And I was like, how come I didn't get their info? I'm like, here's. Pardon me.
Well, this is morning at Amelia Island. We're walking out to our car and setting things up. Everything's covered in dew, so we have our car all wrapped up in car covers out in the back. But, it's a quick look. It's all just foggy, setting everything up.
There's people that actually have pieces. I'm too fat for that. These pieces back there.
We both show as well, so we know about Mark Becker. We both show as well, so we know the time and effort and commitment that it takes.
Since 1978.
What it takes to get a car onto the show field, so we very much appreciate that. So we've read the bio about your car that you submitted.
Yes.
But I also know there's never enough room to put everything in that bio, because you usually have a word count you have to deal with. And I always have to edit.
Yeah, the car was not terribly hard when they got there.
Oh, that's good.
And they drove it over honeymoon.
Right?
They went on a long trip, by the way.
Don't tell me they made you in the back seat.
No. No, I came along about 13 years later. Yeah, when I was a kid, I used to play in it.
You'd have gotten more points if you'd said yes.
Can we do a redo?
Yeah, that's right. Take two. Take two.
Hi,
Mark,
nice
how
to meet
are
you.
you? Good to see
Good
you.
to see you guys.
So that, that's the main family.
Okay.
And my dad died when I was 10.
Okay.
And so it was kind of my lifelong commitment to try to bring this back to life.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we'd be pretty proud of it too. I'd hoped to get it done before my mom passed away, but that didn't happen.
Okay.
So, but anyway, it is what it is, and they've had it since 2020.
Okay.
And they put it together, and they just did tremendous. When I got it, it was a total basic.
Okay.
We towed it home with a tow bar and a flatbed truck full of boxes.
Okay.
So, I worked on it until I ran out of abilities and time. And I mean, they've got abilities to do almost anything. Even though I worked in the restoration shop, I'm the guy that goes out and samples.
Okay, right. Sure.
I'm not the guy that makes things. So in 2020, we gave it to them. That's where the story goes from there.
I was going to say, your restorer taught me how to make white walls white many years ago, because mine looked yellow sitting next to his car, and he shared me the secret potion.
Oh, there's a lot of time in it. His are a lot of time. Every 6 to 8 months.
Right?
Really.
Yeah.
Sure. Well, we're going to take a walk around, just get a feel for the outside of the car, and then we'll get you to open doors in the hood. We're not judging trunks, but we'll get you to open it just so we can see if there's a spare in there. And
It's about
okay. And then we'll get you to start it and turn on some headlights and honk the horn at it. So, all right? Thank you.
That all of them are all the same way.
Thank you. Thank you.
Walk with me about the door still. Great. Get you to open the hood and doors and let us poke around a little bit. Yes, please. We're not judging trunks, but we just want to look in there and I bet it's real easy to chrome the detail out of that too. Yeah.
Yeah, Alan up at Brightworks. They pretty much remade it from a pitted piece of clay.
Right. Okay.
It's perfect.
That's great.
It's unbelievable. The little things, right? They only came on this.
Okay.
The other ones are different cats.
Okay.
It's like the wheel well stuff. I got a paper template out of a guy out in California. Because I didn't have the wheel well stuff. I didn't have the exact shape. So he gave me a paper trace.
Right.
And then he made the wheel well the same with the fender.
Right.
Yeah, the fenders were crushed in and I forget what he said, 50 something, and then it didn't snow. And then off the way with it.
Like the biggest thing on the end was the spark plug map, getting a complete original set.
Yeah.
Anything to get the spares, but to meet the exact spark plug
I bet those tags are long gone. Most of the
Have you been there? Good. Holy, the battery's out.
Mark, did you hear me? No wipers.
No, you're good.
Left turn. Left turn. Okay, gotcha. Driving lights?
Left turn is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be fun if you stuck it on the
Brake lights? Okay, you're good. Thank you. Yeah, we did.
Oh, no, that.
I'll take that. Exactly. Sure. Thank you. Yep.
I've had it for 5 years. We just still got 20 people. My question was, where in the hell did you find the Gordon Flow? I don't want any there for sale either. And you have to I had a 408. Which had a really interesting 408 0. That year, got it. I sold doors in the sun at Kensington High School. Because they had it there. They had to go to coffee. I said, I need a left hook. Yeah. See, and I love it because
Orange, yeah. It's a 1 of 1.
To meet you.
Never seen this
Well, tell us
before,
about this
so-
car. Is it, so there's, if you think of F1 designers, there's 2 of the greatest, Gordon Murray and Adrian Newey.
Yes.
This is
Gordon's second car. He designed the F1, and he designed this one.
Very good.
Very cool. So what do you call it if you're saying, if you're talking
It's a
to
T50,
T50?
or the nickname is fan car. So it's got a massive fan in the back that sucks the downforce or the air from underneath. So
How many in the United States?
this is the first one. I think
Wow.
there's 2 more that came in the last couple of months, but there's only going to be, I think, 19 or 18 in the US.
Wow, that's amazing. Which country produces them?
UK.
Very good. Well, thanks for sharing. Yeah. What's the power?
3.9 liter, 65 degree spliced V12. Sits almost 4 inches from the ground, so the engine is really low and it's spliced nicely. Throws out 671 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque.
That's that. McLaren guy developing some side the years. I guess you wouldn't have screens. Designers or whatever. So it's basically a spot
Put them on the side right here. Really the drivers.
by tag.
Yeah.
Congratulations, George.
Thank you. Is he going to be able to make it back to the field? Oh, good. I want him to put the ribbon on the car.
You guys bring it to me, man.
It makes me feel that way.
Yeah, we got out there. And
My 37 makes me feel that way.
It was fantastic.
I mean, I got a kid with 37 for years. He kept taking me driving.
Right?
Yeah, I told you about when he wrecked it in the sand.
Yeah.
He wrecked it twice.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Well deserved.
Thanks
Well
again.
deserved.
Thank you. All your work.
Oh, appreciate it. Oh, that's unreal.
Okay,
Yeah.
you gotta hold it up.
Oh, well, it's about 2 o'clock.
I think that's where we got to
It's been
now.
a really nice turnout. A really cool event. It's winding down. It winds down about 4 o'clock. About 2 more hours to go. We're going over different awards for different sections. So, a really good day.
Famous name here, Essex,
I just thought I'd say hi.
By Dr. Fritz Simeon of
That is
Philadelphia
Keith
to Mr.
Blickinger
Bulgari.
and George
When he
Simmons sitting in
received
the
the
passenger
car,
seat.
basically
And gonna
from
ride over the
about
podium one way or
halfway
the other
down the
and do
door
it.
sill to the bottom of the door, the car was completely gone. It was rotted. It was in terrible condition. However, Mr. Bulgari loves to save important American cars. Most people don't realize that Nash built a car to compete with the other big heavy classics of the era. Straight 8 engine under the hood, long wheelbase. It was designed by codifications up to 660 horsepower.
Well, this one surely doesn't have that, but the Haggerty Drivers Foundation Automotive Heritage Award deservedly goes to this elegant 1930 Cord LL29.
Well, we are about, I don't know, 3 or 4 o'clock, and we are in line to pull out from Amelia. It's a slow moment. Take a little while getting in line and going on out.